Hello, I am Yalçın Günaydın. I am the founder of YG Fire Safety Company. I am a partner in HAFEX aerosol gas extinguishing systems. Shortly, I will show you a video. We received a very nice video for our portable aerosol gas fire extinguishing system.
I am sharing it with you right away without wasting time. Now our distributor is introducing our portable carrying device. It does not require maintenance for 10 years, and it can be portable with you at all times, even on a belt, in a pocket, or in your vehicle. He activates this device, pulls the pin. First, he directs it at a Class B fire, then at a Class A fire, conducting an amazing test. I congratulate them. I provided a brief information about the portable aerosol fire extinguishing system. Don't forget to follow HAFEX aerosol gas fire extinguishing systems.